Hello, my YouTube community people. Today, I'm going to show you how to check your LNB if your LNB is good. How to determine if it's good. Because you can buy your LNB and you're tracking, you don't have signals, but you don't know that the LNB is good or it's bad. So I'm going to show you how the easiest way to determine it if it's good using your satellite finder or using your decoder. So let's get started. Please watch this video to the end so that you understand, you know how to check it. Yes, so let's get started. Okay, so the first step, you need your coaxial cable. Take this cable, use a connector. This connector now is going to link your LNB to your satellite finder or your LNB to your decoder. So let's see what we have to do first. So you have to on your satellite finder. Come on, just you have to on your satellite finder, switch your satellite finder on. Now after doing that, you need your cable. It's like you want to track your channel, but you are testing if your LNB is good or bad. So take your coaxial cable and link the satellite finder with your LNB. Now if you can notice, looking at the quality is at 17, sometimes 12. Now if it's at 17, it means that current does not enter into your LNB. You understand? If it's at 17, or maybe your cable is bad, so the linkage between your LNB and your satellite finder, the cable is bad or the LNB is bad. That is it. So that is the main thing we are going to do now. Now let me do the linkage. Let me do the linkage and you see. You see. So I want to connect it. Now let's do the test. You connect the F connector to your LNB. After doing that, connect now your finder and plugging it in. Just been taking note. I see it goes right up to 62. Now if it shows that different types of finders and decoder, if it shows 61, it means the LNB is good. If it shows 61, it means it's good. If it shows 42, that means the LNB is not good. Yes. So the strength of this LNB needs to be at least 61 upward before you know that it's good. So this LNB is good. Let's try to test the other LNB and see. So I'm going to disconnect it. You see it's connected, it's at 61. Now it's already disconnected. It goes back to 16. Now let's try to see if I can get a good signal, if this one can even give me a good signal. So this is another LNB. I want to do the test for this. Once as you notice the strength is at 17, it means the LNB is bad. Or it's at 27, it means the LNB is bad. So let's see something. So connect the LNB and see. Please zoom it. You see it's connected, but the quality is going to, the quality ranges from 14, 60, 14. So when it's like this, is bad. When the quality is ranging like that, is bad. So this LNB is not good. So that is a step to check if your LNB is good or is bad. If it's good, the strength is going to be from 61. But if the LNB is bad, it's going to be, it will still maintain the same strength, which is 15, or it takes 23. That is it. So that is how you can check if your LNB is good or bad. That is the first step. Now if you did a connection and channels are not showing, it might be the LNB1 or the cable 2. So use this same method, use the same test method and verify. It might be also the defect switch. So the first step you can do is to connect that cable direct, do direct connection from your decoder to your dish. Another way you can do a test. If your DSEC switch is good, you link it to your LNB. If it does not show, you cannot test the LNB using a direct cable again. And if you notice that the LNB is bad, then go in the market and buy a new LNB. So that is how you can test if your LNB is good or bad. Hope you learn something today. You learn something today. Don't forget to like this video, share this video, and comment. And make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.
Please like, share, and subscribe.